She's trying to fuck him.
Feeling I'll be wrapped around that. When you burn me out like a cigarette. Yeah. Drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in a sweet escape.
You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us.
Yeah, tell me lies like you mind crazy out of time flies. We be getting sky high. So what? Hey, no rush. Hey, turn the lights out. Do you wanna level up? Baby, let me fill your cup before we out of here. Do you wanna take it slow? Just let me know.
You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us, yeah.
Alrighty, 50 is 50, boys and girls. Well, Kigo is saying something about 100 is 100. Handos.
It's different out here, bro.
100 is 100.
Depending if you can read pips as well. I mean, we could even just say 1,000 is 1,000.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it just depends how you look at it.
If you're not taking at least 50 in these markets, what are you doing?
Yeah, Chad, it's interesting out here. Bootcamp Sunday was nice, amazing. It's a bull market, Chad. Oh, Brian's back. The sell's apparently off the table. Brian's back into buy mode. But
He's lying.
I don't think he is, bro. It's he's gonna make the Chad liquidity. Keeks, remember when Chris used to put GJ and Naz on a 10 stretcher? Oh, the boys choosing violence here today.
10 a stretcher. 10 is the bread they put on the table before your order started. When you go and fine dine, they bring out little breads for the table.
There we go, Chad. It's gonna be interesting here on the marks today.
Alrighty, ladies and gents.
But markets look like they're ready to go. I wonder if the boys are ready.
Are you ready, Kigo?
I'm always ready, bro. I'm always ready. Let's see, everything red across the board. It's gonna get very, very interesting here today.
What is Tesla doing? What is Tessie doing? Wait, no. Wait, what is this? Tuesday. Oh, Tessie gap down. Oi, 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 oi.
Chad, you guys see the screen when we hit 100 likes?
There we go. Simple. Hando.
We in no hurry yet, Chad. Prodigy guys, they know what's happening already, so they're not worried.
Oh, did you share it with them?
No.
But they know.
They know the source, bro. They know the source.
Keeks, that was actually, check this. That was actually there.
Don't tell me that because you're gonna make me think we're doing the second thing again, yeah.
No, that was bro. That was literally it.
Don't start that, yeah.
That was literally there.
Nah, Chad, we're gonna see what you guys do, yeah. As you said, Chad, we in no hurry, yeah. The shard stream starts at 100 likes.
Hando.
We're giving you guys some motivation, yeah.
I don't even know where to see the likes.
Left. Yeah. Left, yeah.
Street, yeah.
Oh,
Bro, this new layout, I don't know. Analytics.
Do you see it there at the bottom?
Where?
Left. So up. That section, click on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
There on the right. Down. There.
Oh, there's. Okay. Yo. Keeks, I had to. Mentors are stressing out. Chat, only 30 more likes to go. Fetch it, pal.
Hit the like, Chad. It's under the stream. For those that don't know, there we go. Smash the like button, Chad. Lyndon, thank you for that donor there, my brother.
Hey, Lindo. Alrighty, what is happening here on the Boeing? We are working closely with prime contractor Lockheed Martin to boost production rates. Okay, quite a bit of headlines coming out here. The EU considers forced tech transfers for new Chinese investments, with the EU also considering enforcing joints. Expect big Ukraine weapons announcements tomorrow, US ambassador to NATO. Lindwana.
Naz is about to buy. I want to see what's your take on Naz. What's our take if you already know it's buying? I mean, it's 1% down on the day already from being up. It's quite a bit of a turnaround. Lafio, my brother, where have you been if you don't know where Bonang is?
We sent Bonang back. It was way too profitable. Caused the tax problem here for us.
Gold looking ready to rock it again. Alright. Okay.
Rocketeers. Kribo showed it. Kribo, how's the German 30 trade going? Hey, Tadiso. Why do you have to be that guy, my brother? We locked it in for 10, so it was quick in it was over in 2 seconds.
Chad, all I'm just going to say for one thing I'm going to add to this. In anything, because tomorrow's post, I think, is going to piss a lot of people off. But if we always say if the shoe fits, it fits. But if someone cannot show you proof for anything they've achieved, don't just listen to the hype. Listen to the proof. Everything Chris and myself have always told you or shown you or said we're going to do, we back it up with proof. So I'm just saying to any trader out there, if you're going to make certain remarks about what you're doing and how much money you make sure you're able to back it up. Catching the boys deep. The O group is in that building, Chad. We know you guys are there.
Keek say, I mean, if I make $10,000 a trade, I can't be driving vintage cars. Is that what you're telling me?
Hey, bro. I'm not saying anything.
Are you saying I'm wearing a Mentos car on my wrist?
Bro, the fact that that's real. Yeah. Mentors out here asking students for loans.
You mean I'm wearing some of the Mentos cars on my wrist?
Chad. If your car is not black, are you even legit? Yo, Chad, you know when I think we go on tilt here, you guys always somehow seem to tilt it even a bit more.
No, Chad, I just say you can't hide money. You can't hide it. Even if you try to hide it, you can't.
Chad, come on, you guys need 5 more likes. Let's see. Chad, I'm just putting it out there. I took a little thing of it. It was very nice. I love it. I love our Chad, bro. The shit you guys give other mentors. Messaging a mentor is being like, if you give me 200 Rand today, I'm going to give you 30 days free access to my signals group.
200 Rand?
200 Rand. And the guys were like, messaging, like, bro. But I mean, if you're so rich and you make all this money you do and all this stuff, like 200 Rand should be nothing to you. So just give it away for free like the 2Gs do. They stream, they give it there, they do analysis. Like, why can't you do it for free? And the guy's just like, it's my time and effort. You can't give that away for free. Wait, I'll give it away for $200.
Yes.
$200, we got a deal.
200.
Hey.
Bro, for 200 Rand, you might as well just do it for free. Like, save the effort of.
Bro, what did you do now that we're blown out again?
I don't know, bro. This. Let me check if I can get Logitech back. Yo, this playlist is really going through a lot.
Bro, you know what's scary? I'm looking at gold here. Is that there? Not a 200 pip.
That's a swing, dude. It's a swing. A swing.
$20 on gold.
Gold will do that, bro.
200 Rand. Damn, here I am charging 50 Rand. Hey, scam is gonna scam. Rooks, just remember, bro. Technically, it's very easy to get out successful. You just charge people for what other people do for free, and you can then call yourself a mentor. So great winning strategy over here. But Chad, I hope you guys are enjoying it. It's going to be a good one. I think markets are definitely alive today. I think we are going to definitely get some nice trades. We've got a few break evens here, so hopefully we can get a trade in here actually. But
I got sliced, Geeks. I got sliced. Let's not shy away.
I got break even, bro. So
I got sliced.
I want to trade.
I got sliced.
But Chad, we are going to get into it. If you guys are new, as you said, we do this for free for you guys. So all we are asking on your side of the table is just hit that like button. It's a little thumbs up if you don't know. That's right there underneath your screen. Just hit that little thumbs up for us. That's all we ask from you in return. Doesn't cost you anything. Doesn't do anything. No one's going to know you hit the like button, guys. So don't worry. No one's judging you. Yeah, we might judge you if you don't hit the like button. But that's about it. But without further ado, we're going to get right into it. And we're going to start off with a prayer as always. And Chad, just before we get into that, I just want to get this up there. But then in doing so, I'm going to ask that you guys all join us in this if you are and if you want to, and just bow your heads and you guys can all follow along. All right, Heavenly Father, we come before you today with open hearts. We are seeking your guidance, your wisdom, and just looking for you to navigate us through these charts today. Help us, guide us, help us to understand your plans, find direction, whether it's in the markets, whether it's in everything that we do. May your word be the light for us. Help you guide us in whether it's the charts again, whether it's distractions, whether it's difficulties, whether it's some of the students going into exams in the next few weeks. May you be the guiding one in there for us. Help us bring patience. One of the biggest things we have, these charts show it to us all the time. Sometimes it's not about strategy, it's more just patience and discipline. We pray that you can bring patience with us to help us understand what is happening and where you want us to be, and help us decide in what we need to actually be and need to achieve in our lives. Thank you for being by us and for the strength and clarity in everything that you do. We pray this in your precious name. Amen.
Amen, amen, amen.
All right, Chad, for those of you that are in agreement, may you guys drop an amen there, because where there's more than two, we know he is there and present with us. Now, Chad, very, very simple stuff here. We are going to start off not necessarily with a fundamental chat, because you guys know the drill. There is obviously a break over there with the White House shutdown.
Keith Simon, who's selling black belts? I don't know. I didn't catch the joke. Who's selling black belts now?
What?
Somebody's saying Quip made black belt. What is going on there? Is their mentor selling belts now?
Bro, I don't even know. But starting off with the fundamental chat. The only thing we want to take note of, guys, is over here. Again, not going to do anything for us now, but Fed Chair Powell is speaking tonight. There's a lot of rumors about what he is going to be referring to. If we do click on here, it's more discussion on the economic outlook, monetary policies, all that good stuff. So hence where the FOMC was there. A lot of guys are talking about if he is going to confirm on another rate cut or not, if they pause in again. So from that instance, there definitely can be volume around about that time tonight. So please be careful if you are trading then. If you are already in positions, again, a lot can happen, whether you want to hold, but just take a look out. As I say, we can't confirm exactly what he's talking about, but there's a lot of rumors on that Powell is going to say something. And when there's rumors, and I think he's got it, whether the fact is he's going to answer, address them, whether he is going to say what they think he's going to say, you know he's going to move the markets. I think already, if you do want to just stream into anything where he is talking, a little trader's tip for you, if you actually have been around the block and you don't just actually look at this and sell courses, a little quick one you'll know is just look at his tie. His tie will give it a little bit of a way for you in what's going to happen. If you've been around the block, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't, go spend some more time on the charts. Stop watching TikToks and actually go do something. But let's get into it, Chad. Starting off, we're going to quickly run through the dollar again. And what is it do we want to see on the dollar? And I remember I said to you guys, the first thing you don't want to take note of is where we are trading. Remember I said to you, I'm not expecting any major moves until Powell comes in. And that's exactly been the case. If you go to the 4 hour, we traded, massive little pullback just down to Asia highs, previous daily high. And we are parking the bus there. I do think you can see the dollar. If it does go bearish, it could go probably bearish just to that Asia low. And I think it will park the bus there till Powell comes on. Otherwise, it's probably just going to bump back up. And the same idea, hold on that daily R1, maybe even that previous weekly high, then bounce back down and chill till Powell comes on. I don't think the dollar's going to do anything crazy till then. Going over to the indices side, indices are in that bearish market. Remember I said this to you guys earlier, NAS, the one I don't...
It's not indices, it's indices.
The indices.
Yeah, it's indices.
The indices are looking over there for us to really see a bit more of a bearish move. Remember I said to you, the main thing you want to check is the weekly pivot. Alright, so if we started to see this break here, very, very good chance we were going to go all the way back down to have that gap closure over there. Keep in mind for those guys, again, that don't know, as much as it looks like, hey, that's where candle opened, that is not the gap, and that is not the gap. Because again, simple candle anatomy, if you don't know, that is the open of a candle. If it's a bearish candle, that is the close of the candle. So over there is your gap from that to that. All right, just some simple fundamentals over there. And traders, again, please, if you do put that in your course, just give us a little bit of credibility. I didn't come up with it, but I am maybe just helping you guys out a little bit over here. So just take note of that. But the simple thing is right now, trading from that low, retesting previous daily low. If we hesitate here, go bearish, you know where we're going. If we break back up, especially above the daily S1, good chance we're going to go back into the Asia range. So just monitor that. Now over from the two, you have US30, the one I do prefer a lot more, purely just of structure and where we are currently sitting. Again, we spoke about that major rejection area where we could see this turnaround. And again, same idea that when we start to break back, we have a real legitimate area to be reversing from. And then the same idea that where we're going to start breaking that final area to hold is also our weekly pivot. We said the weekly is definitely coming into play. And now the same idea is what we see in their previous daily low is at that area. And you can see if we break lower, good chance we're going to go there. Daily S1 is starting to hold, so that daily S2 definitely on the cards. But if we can get above the weekly pivot, daily S1, good chance we're going to go back up to the monthly and daily pivot and that yearly resistance as well. So just monitor that. Then lastly with gold. Gold, again, looking very interesting now for us. I am still bullish, but we do want to see at the same time we talk about retail. I'm not going to dive into that a lot. If you want to, go check out the morning stream, the breakdown over there. But that sell-off coming in with that cap rate being raised. Then moving back down, we have a nice level of support over there. On that weekly R1, we can see where this did break, testing it perfectly over there. The test. So all I want to monitor right now, very simple stuff. If we break, we'll continue to hold underneath over here. I'm going to look for just a run. First target will be literally just those wick fills, so we can always monitor there. 1490, that psychological number, and if that breaks, it could drive even more. We do obviously have daily pivot and the EQ with previous weekly high at all the way at 40,059. Let's just say again psychological, we're going to go 60. But the big idea that if this really does decide to run, we could see us going all the way back down to 4,000. But if this does get above here, again, this is where I'm going to look to have those bars come in. Then simple stuff, you're going to run for those highs, and if that breaks, we're going to run all the way back up to the highs of the day, which is also going to become all-time highs again. But Chad, that's everything from me. Cribbo, over to you, brother.
NCS, yo.
So man's vibing out here.
NCS is going in here, Chad. Okay, ladies and gents, for the guys that missed this morning's session, let's quickly grab a look here on the daily. Did mention that the dollar was still relatively bullish. We did talk about that previous daily high. That zone right there, if we hold above, bullish. If we start breaking back below, could see a nice little bearish move, which we are currently seeing. So as long as we stay below that previous daily high, we could see the dollar tank a little bit. Otherwise, this daily flip, I'm going to say this entire zone, Chad, it's quite a big zone, but that is the zone we need to monitor. Holds above, bullish. Okay, very simple. Holds below, we are bearish. Okay, that's your zone that you need to monitor. US 30 daily did say we are bearish with the idea we took the previous daily high, failed to hold above it, and now trading back below the previous daily low. All right, so for me, very simple is what is going to happen at this zone, because if we hold below that zone, we are going to go bearish. If we hold above it, we could see a nice little pullback back into Asia lows, and not this playlist. Where can I change this? Back to the gaming. All right, let's skip you quickly there. Okay. So there's two standard deviations. If we can hold above it, we could see a nice little move back inside of the range. We've got 1 minute left, so we'll see what's going to happen there. NASDAQ on the daily, same thing as US 30, taking the previous daily high, failing to hold above it, and now trading at the previous daily lows. So what are we going to do here? Can we hold this point of control, previous daily low area? If we can, we could see a nice little bullish move into the average daily range and then maybe come down again. But we're going to have to see what happens now at the open. Okay, Goldilocks, gold. Massive sell-off after taking all-time highs again, and now starting to trade at that previous daily high level. This is the level we spoke about this morning. So for me, very, very simple. If we can hold above it, bullish. If we reject this continuously, could see a nice little short move into 40.075. So we're going to have to see what happens right here. If we hold above it and we start trading back above the 200 EMA, I'll go back to long buyers, currently short buyers, and that is what I'm looking at. German 30, absolutely clapping our cheeks. I don't have the cheek sound bite anymore, but cheeks were clapped here. Previous daily high failing to hold above it now. Previous daily low now starting to hold there. Very, very simple for me. Going into the session is one of the following, is that if we can start to hold above this previous daily low, things can go potentially bullish. Kigo, I don't know if you want to open up these markets for us.
Chad, there's a baby. Marks open round 4. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Fight. Alrighty, ladies and gents, we took some longs from there. The aggressive entry was there, would have hit a 1-to-1. I didn't manage it. As a man of my word, I took the stop on the chin. Sweet chin music it was. Even though I saw that we failed to hold above this previous daily low, which was maybe a little bit retarded on my side, but that is what we do, Chad. So for me, currently, if we reject this previous daily low, I do think we're going to see a massive down day here on DAX. Already down 1.1%.
You think so, bro?
Correct. So that's what I'm looking at. If we want to start trading higher from the open, definitely looking for shorts. If we start trading lower and then higher, I do like the buys. But up until then, ladies and gents, this is what we've got here. Over to you, Kigo.
Well, Chad, we're watching gold here. We're going to see what it does. Asia lows, previous daily high. We're monitoring.
Tesla down 2 point. Everything red, yeah. Tesla, no man.
Brian, you're in those buys yet, bro. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't be. Who's not buying gold?
Hey. That previous daily I was gonna make it tricky, Kigo, because check here.
Not yet, mate. I'm not premature, but I'm real freaky. I'm not in it, bro. Why would you think I'm in it? Oh, you wait like that.
But check now, that makes it tricky. Tricky.
Ugh. Chad, they trying to figure out my strat here. Nah, bro. Brian, if you remember, a while ago, apparently we don't even need to see strats, and someone will still steal it. So don't worry, we've got you, bro. We know you like the back of our hand.
Boy.
I am the Chad key.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You escape from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life.
Timo Backstreet Boys. Proudly brought to you by NCS.
Hey guys, I'm here. Do you guys trade every day? Yes, we do, Mark. Every day.
Or we at least try to.
Is it a live trade? Yes, when we in the trade.
Yeah, nothing is live now. Alrighty. Let's see what she is gonna bring for us. I don't wanna change. I don't wanna change at all, Kigo. Chay.
I'm in cells, Jex. Alright.
Oh no, who's in cells?
Lifetime streams.
Who's in cells?
Carl.
Kyle, hey.
Kyle is chill, bro. You're going to be in and out. You're going to put it on a stretcher very quickly.
If you blink, you miss it. Don't blink. Gotta keep those eyes open.
You got this, Kyle. You can do it. Alrighty. There's some setups brewing here. Which one do we take? We're still waiting yet. Nothing yet, guys.
Was. Can we just get where? What happened to capitalism, my dude? What happened to bull markets?
Chris, you heated yet today, bro.
Bro, that is NCS. It's
Sure.
literally a top 50 playlist. You can't judge me on this. The best of 2025. Okay, that's a little... This is a family show. Sorry, Chad. Alrighty. Bro, it's relatively short. What are you looking at that as well?
I don't know. I'm not trusting that one yet.
Yo.
Because that one's like, you
I'm
cut in close with that.
Yeah, that's my only thing. That previous daily high. I would rather wait for the breakthrough than the... Yeah, let me just keep it at that.
Trade with the best and get cash back on your trades. Create a new account on XM using the partner code 2Gs15 using the link provided below. Sure.
Cash back.
Rixie, you are killing it there with Nightbot.
Yo, Nightbot. Trade with the best.
Chad, I'm just saying, hey, someone a while ago told you guys that they were gold buys. I mean, it's already 70 pips up.
Bro,
but I mean,
if you're in the gold bars, we can't be friends anymore.
I'm just...
If you're in the gold bars now, show me your terminal, bro. Chad, I can't be friends with this guy anymore. Show me. Bro, our relationship is gonna take a hit if you win this gold bar. It's almost like that voice note. What's up, bruv? You said we're gonna post these funded accounts together, and I come to you and you're like, I just took 100 pips on gold. What happened?
It's like, bro, where was the signal?
Bro,
I needed 1%.
I thought we were doing this together. Oh, Kiki. Yes, dude.
Chad, you guys remember there, October, or what was it, like 29 September 2025, Chris Markable, trust nobody.
Oh.
If you think of it though, hey, bro, there was a...
No, but check that high one.
No, I'm saying, but like, firstly, you wouldn't have bought though, but you would have wanted.
No, but check the. You see that? Yeah.
Yeah.
That one there. I think that's the play. I think that's the play.
And I mean,
Keegan.
technically, it
Let
would
us
have
see.
just. It's a close one, bro. It's close. Key's making bank today, not one screenshot, Chad. No, Chad, you don't screenshot. The secret is you screenshot when the trade's done. I don't know why guys haven't figured that one out yet.
You
but
can never.
You screenshot afterwards.
You can never risk it, Chad. I don't
Rixie,
know.
I promise you, bro, we're chasing it. Because that's one thing. I'm just saying. I haven't seen one South African Furu with a max allocation certificate.
Yo.
I haven't seen
Keegan.
one. I do not, and I'm happy to say if there is someone, but to my knowledge right now, I cannot tell you one South African Furu who's actually got, because you can't take that away, you can't fake it, especially, that's the one thing I will say, there's a barcode on there, go scan it, it's legit, go have a look, you can't fake that, the name's going to be there, it's on the website, everything.
Keeks, but some of the guys, some of these furus, let's just work it out.
Bro,
They're actually risking R500,000 a trade. Some of the furries, if you think about it.
Yeah.
If you do the math here, some of the furries is risking R500,000 a trade.
100%. Key on a roll today. Chris, why didn't you enter after break about previous daily high? You got this Keeks, but at least account trade from home. We don't want Chris saying lock in.
That's levels, Keeks. Risking R500,000 on
So
a trade.
hopes and dreams, yeah. Mad Chart says max allocation with FTMO as well or had. Does he legit though? Like, has he shown the certificate?
A guy hiding behind a mask and you trusting that guy. Chad, let's be... Chad, come on. When we always talk about common sense needs to prevail, yeah.
Sorry, I was in the car. Are we still trading the cracker or must I remove that part of myself? Sorry, Andre, that's my fault. Legit, we are still, but I'm just loving OES, bro. I've been locked in with it. I do apologize for that, but we'll still send the cracker for you guys.
Keegan promised from tomorrow, cracker.
I'll still send it, I promise.
Quickly check what the cracker would have done today. I know you sent it. Was it yesterday that you sent it? Okay, it would have looked for buys.
No, but remember the condition.
Nah, the condition is
Cracker would have looked for sells.
no ways, Keeks.
Promise you.
So you're saying I would have looked for the sell, okay? And where was the levels?
Hold on, I need to put that on for you.
So it would have...
Market open. I'm waiting for my stuff to load. I'll tell you now.
Kigalezi.
You would have sold there. Bang.
So I would have banged it out.
That would have been TP.
A little bang and clang there.
No, that would have been your position there. The tracker would have been TP. That was a... Bro, I still remember the days when I came up with the cracker. That was fun.
Whoa. It's not in that kill zone, eh?
Everyone trying to figure it out.
No, I don't think you guys will ever figure it out.
Aye, Keegs taking the food out of my mouth. Mad Shots has max allocation because he trades gold, baby. But hold on, wait. We were talking about this. Does he really? That's what I was saying. That he posted on his IG with the barcode. Can't take that away from him though. Okay, I'm blocked by him, so I can't see. But I'll give him the credits for that. Fine. But again, like that's why I said, Chad, as much as no, I'm not trying to be that arsehole because I'm not trying to take it away from him. Having max allocation is still dope. But then I definitely know he does not have that as prime status. 100% he doesn't have that.
Hando.
Is Mad Charts a him, she, or they, them to him?
Joe Kigi.
Do you guys have a date for the OES reveal boot camp? Andre?
End of the month.
There we go. How do you get max allocation, Keith? You get max allocation. So when you trade with a prop firm or prop firms, there's a max allocated amount of capital. As you grow with the prop firm, your max allocation becomes up. But for example, let's just say now FTMO's max allocation is 400,000. Once you become a prime trader, your max allocation becomes 600 and it starts to scale up. But you get a certificate saying that you are a max allocated trader once you hit that brief. But the max allocation for Vault Funder is 4 mil.
400k. Same as what is FTMO's? 600.
400,000.
Also 400.
Is it?
400,000.
Oh, it is. It's 8
Yeah.
million, eh? Which, yeah, okay. That is right. So yeah, you just get a special thing saying that you are at max allocation. So the difference, just to give guys a clearance there, is max allocation. Bro, technically, hey, if that does that, that's still the entry now.
If it closes there, yeah.
What was I gonna say? The difference, so max allocation, and that's what I'm saying to the guys. We always talk about when trading with monies makes it easier. So let's say you get a 200k live, for example. Once it's live, you literally can just park it. Park the bus and just trade until you get another 200k live, and there you go, you got 400k. There you've achieved max allocation. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to take it away from the guy, but when you can just do that, you can get it. With prime status, and that's where it becomes different. Prime status, you actually have to prove yourself as a trader. So prime, you have to firstly have your max allocation. You then have to have 4 payouts, over 4% a payout. So you can't be playing it safe. Each payout has to be more than 4%. You have to have 4 of those, and you cannot blow any account. Not a live account, a challenge, nothing. You cannot blow anything within a 6-month period. So it's quite a thing, because that way you can't just be full sending accounts after each other, because that will stop you from getting status. I proved myself at Cassie's and got myself a prime steak pie.
Who's that?
Carl.
Oh, beautiful. Nah, I gotta give it to you. That was stunning. A prime steak pie.
Yeah.
Steak and kidney. Yo, steak and kidney, it's different. Especially if it's from a garage. Late at night. You know that steak and kidney is not gonna make it home. Kigalezi. Now we're looking at this.
Yeah.
I think this is clean.
The first one is.
That I think is clean.
Bro, if it just closes where it is now, that's entry.
You're ripping.
Bro, we have. That's
Ah.
it there. That's your test. You've now.
Kiga.
Bro, we are not doing that. We need to agree on this because now we're going to do the second entry crap again.
No. I feel you.
Because technically, that is the it was made. That's now the first test. It gave you your 50% test. And now turning around. That is entry, bro.
Can't wait for this to close there.
I think we all get max blow account state.
Now the reason I say that is there's your previous daily high. That's why I said it's at a weird place.
I feel you got to go for it, bro. Chad, what do you guys think about that? What if we gave like a special certificate for guys that have blown a certain amount of accounts? Hey, Chris?
Joe, you're wrong for that.
Like the biggest loser.
No, I don't think they would want that. I don't think guys would want that certificate.
Bro. you just don't show that to the missus. When she's like, hey, Leafy,
Just one
how's that
more.
account going? No, man, it's going great.
Just one more.
Yeah, I just got this certificate. What does certificate does that mean? Nah, I blew 10 accounts. You what? And how much was each account?
It's only $500. What do you mean $500?
Wooden trader. Geeks trust in I am in cock. I'm top 5 on the leaderboard of the biggest losers, not wait. Bro, that's my train style. Max leverage and small accounts also, but I'm up, not down, so working low.
What's South Korean?
This English, right?
No, this
I was
is
listening here for a second. I'm like, what?
No, this is South Korean.
Chris always finds a way to find some new music for us, Chad.
South Korean jams.
You know what also I really don't like about this trade right now?
That is valid and that's valid.
No. I still believe the first one's there. But the thing is, the previous daily high.
That's what I'm saying.
And the 4-hour candle and hourly candle's just going to close.
Yes, I don't know. This little weird price action we've got here.
This is... this can go either very well or very bad. I really have no clue what you're listening to, bro.
This is the jams. White Taekwondo. Get max allocation or sing in South Korean. South Kwandi.
Shout out. Bro, we're gonna go for it.
Nah, I'm not going for it. I'm honest. I'm only. Yeah, no. Are you gonna rip it?
I feel I have to, bro.
I'm gonna wait
like that,
for that.
That for me is the strategy.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have to.
No, you have to. But I'm not.
I had the one this morning, and I don't.
I'm literally. If we can close there, I'm ripping. But if we close inside there. No,
We
no.
had the one this morning. I didn't take it, and I took a break
Gigs,
even
you
because
have
of a
to,
second.
no, you have to take it.
Like we all can agree there. Like that is my trade. I would
Yeah.
take that.
No.
Yeah,
I'm not-
I'm not happy with it. Ah, crap. No.
Are you in?
No.
Are you in?
I'm in now, but it's like.
Woo!
Shall we? I'm gonna lie. I'm in like there somewhere. Oh my word, bro. That is 50. That is-
Taekwondo. Tai Chi Kwando. Is that 50, dude? That
is
literally
50,
looks
bro.
like 5 pips.
That is 50.
That is disgusting.
Oh.
That is a little disgusting. Kombucha and namaste.
I'm getting chopped. That previous daily high. We are not friends.
Yes, bro. Both of these are setting up now. But which one do I take? Oh. Chad, if we close where we are now on NAS, I'm looking long. Just letting you guys know. Just the 155 stop. Okay. Do I split between NAS and US 30? Because both are setting up.
Bro, this thing's either gonna run for me or I'm gonna get smacked now. Don't do it, previous daily high. This is where I need you to fail. Don't hold.
170.
Why would you hold previous daily high? Like that just doesn't make sense.
Okay, 170. Yeah, 250. Holy smokes. Okay.
I'm getting chopped. And I am basically chopped.
170. 3, okay. 3 and 32.
Yo, Chad, I'm out. Bro, of course this is the time where I have to get chopped right. I had my chance this morning and we left it and now I'm getting chopped.
No, but that's what I said. This is a messed up zone, yeah.
Now I'm getting chopped.
It's in a very, very tough spot there.
I thought Keys was in the buy. Nah, guys, you're wrong for that. Like, nah, Keys, I thought you were buying, bro.
250 points.
What do you mean you were in the cells?
Alright, ladies and gents.
Chris, if you buy now, bro.
No. I'm actually looking at US 30. I'm looking at US 30, yeah. Yeah, I could also be cut very quickly, Keegs, or
What are you
yours stops.
taking?
Oh, bro, okay, wait. No, I'm not gonna get my terminal open in time. Oh no, Chad. Oh, they're almost wrong. Okay, I'm in the bias, Chad. US 30 stops are absolutely humongous. All right, stops are 260. Okay. Okay, wait, what is the TP? 260.
Sure. Gold. Chop me, bro.
Alrighty, yo, what?
That
What
was like a
that?
little
I was
Mr.
somewhere
Miyagi
little.
type of thing there, bro. Gold is like, I got you.
Chad, same setup on NAS. Only reason I'm taking US 30 is relative strength on the day. NAS is almost down 1.4. US 30 is only down 0.8. But exactly the same setup as on US 30. Okay. So you gotta choose your poison. I hope I didn't choose the sour teeth to suckle on the sour
That's
teeth.
fine, bro. Come join me. That's
I hope I'm not suckling you on the sour teeth.
I was meant to have sushi tonight. I'm now having tumor noodles and some hot dogs.
Bro, look at that zone. That's why I was like, this is a messed up zone.
Yeah. No, but just I had to follow the rules.
No,
so
you have to.
that's if I didn't take that and then it runs and it's like
What is Brian sending me here?
what
Brian.
is he in bars?
He's out already. He took the first pullback after the new high. He literally bought, yeah. Brian, don't tell me that's 50. Oh my sack, Higgs, that's 50.
I know, bro. I was in the opposite side of it.
No, but he took this first pullback retest of previous daily high, this engulfing.
Yeah, that's exactly
And
where
then
I
he-
bought.
and-
I sold. He bought.
And then he still proceeds to send me Conor McGregor doing the belly strut. I love it. Oh shit. Oh, Brian, what a man. Chad, look at that. Oh, I love it, Brian. Beautiful, beautiful. Stunning.
Chad, I will always be great. Screw you, Brian.
Yeah. Incredible.
Brian, I gave you a gold bar, bro. It was my trade.
Aye,
Yeah, man was like, Keegan, I'm sorry, bro. I'm going opposite, yeah. Follow the rules, gold trade, win or lose, unlucky geeks. Nah, that's it, guys. I'll take my L on my chin there. A little fat dub.
Bro, if I lose this one, I'm 2 L's on the day. You only one. Then I might cry in the shower tonight.
Bro, you know the thing is now it's going to set up for a bar.
I have to pick up me and Nay and the kids.
Now it's going to set up for a bar.
Yeah, I'm going to have to leave in 15. Yeah, Chad, so according to the rules, if we close... I'm not taking... I'm in this US 30.
So I'll take it, bro.
Bro, you won't do it. Do it, Keeks. You've got 40 seconds.
Bro.
Get yourself ready. You gotta rip it.
If I'm going to get chopped twice, yeah, bro.
So wherever this closes, it needs to close above there.
Bro, I promise, if I get chopped again, I'm going to cry.
Okay, wait. No, it's not valid, Chad. It's not valid. Okay, I'm gonna let you know, Kigo. Okay, it's still not valid. Yo, it's on a... Let me zoom in here. Okay, Chad. Okay, Kigi. It's not valid. Not valid. It's not valid, bro. I promise you, it's not valid.
Okay.
You saw that. You saw that.
It's fine, bro. You're saving me, yeah.
I don't even want to look at US30. Oh shit, we're going in. Bro, I can't take another loss today. My ego is too fragile for this. Alright, Chad, no trade there on gold. German 30, there was nothing for me, Chad, but again, like this morning, the idea was I want to trade opposite to how we opened up, and then I want to see a fake out back into the range. And yeah, that's the idea on NAS. US 30 waited for a little bit of a deeper close inside, but that was the aggressive entry was there. Closure back inside of the range after taking London low, closing back inside of the range. I actually think I would have been done if I took this. No, 190.
Chris, please explain the auto rebates on XM. Stove, basically the more you trade, you literally get a percentage back. I don't know how else to-
every trade you take, the commissions you would have paid, you actually get back as a rebate. So instead of paying commissions, we pay you commissions to trade. I wonder how long before the other mentors bring that in. And it goes directly into your trade account where you're trading from, Stofie. Yeah, bro, 260.
Because that's the thing, bro. Now this thing would technically be a sell again.
Bro, that zone for me on gold is just, it's chopped, dude. I can't, that's why I say this little zone here is just absolutely, I'm staying, that's why I stayed out. This zone here, it's in between two levels.
No, I don't think, Brian, I won't do the sell again. I won't do the sell again. If it gave a bar, maybe, but I'm not doing the sell.
So I close the US 30 and buy gold.
Where's US 30?
No, it's barely. It's like 40. Bro, this thing actually went 70.
You got 1 minute, bro, to decide gold's valid.
No, not yet.
It was at
It was. Bro, when did we frown upon 70 points? That's literally the cracker done there.
Yeah.
Yo, the markets are back, my dude.
Yeah, they don't look like they're moving, but they're moving.
Oh, damn. "30
seconds, you won't rip it."
Do you rate I do it?
If it gives it, bro, rip it.
Do you rate close the US 30?
That's valid. It's
Not
valid.
yet. Not
It is
yet.
valid.
Bro, it's not. Okay, there it's valid now. Bro, I've got 8 seconds to decide. Bro, what do? I froze.
Don't
I
ask
froze,
me.
bro. I'm still in US 30. I don't want to close it. Chad, this is valid. I'm not in it though. Would you still go 52 on this, Gigo? Damn.
You don't really have a choice if you think of it.
Yes, bro. I want to be so bleak if this actually goes. Now I'm sitting in the swing trade. Well, I could have just clapped it and be done. Now I'm in a swing trade. I'm a swing trader now.
Man's a swing trader.
Is Europe it? Kiki! Kiki! Kigaleza!
You can't be scared, bro.
Bro,
You
why am I
have to-
suckling on the sour teat
If you
with
have
a
to back
massy?
it.
I'm suckling on a teat with a massy milk in it. Look at that, bro. It's disgusting. Filthy.
There they go, bro.
Woo!
There's that lost back.
Wait. Bro, that's why I said this is the one I liked, not the other one. Oh, I would have liked the other one. Check your keys. If you check there,
Hold on. I'm just sitting.
lock it in, bro.
Nah, but it's bro.
Bro,
Don't.
lock it in. So instead of having a quick day, I wanted to now I have to drive with my phone, look at the chart. Alrighty, Chad. 50 is 50 there for the board. Actually, 52. Compliments of the G's.
Fine, I locked it, bro.
Beautiful. No standing trade kicks.
Oh yes, baby. Did you take the OES there, bro? There you go, Brian. 50's 50. we break even after that lost, Chad. Bro, think of it. By the time I was in a trade and out of trade.
Dude, what am I doing? Yes, dude. And I had the opportunity to close it, but my ego was like, Crizzle,
No,
you cannot do it.
you won't do it.
Chad, I don't know why my entry is gone here, but I'm in from there. Now I've got to sweat for this 1-to-1. Absolute sweatshop in here. Oh,
Now we
absolute.
break even, and I will trade with my buddy Pal tonight. Double or nothing, all in
Sweatles.
on the purple tire.
Let me just put this in. I'm not in the NAS chat. I just told you guys both are valid.
I don't want to look at this now, bro. I don't want to
Close
look at
it.
I'm not looking at that. We are. Jakes, if you know the OES, then you don't need alerts from Project G.
Yeah, this was clean, bro.
Yeah.
This was as clean as it gets. This was the OES special. They don't get cleaner
My
than
brother
this.
knew you had it in you.
You say that.
Right.
Ha!
50's 50.
Don't forget flat body taps, Chad. Yeah, I'm also gonna get my 1-to-1, but it's gonna be a little bit of a sweat.
Bro,
Can
promise.
I now go? Let's say this hits TP, hypothetically. Can I say I killed 2,600 pips?
Yes.
Okay, so that's a thing, eh?
Yeah.
So it's not 260 points, it's 260,000 pips.
Yeah. And if you really don't know how to read, you actually can just say you had 26,000 pips on US.
But here's the thing, sometimes they say 2,600 pips and sometimes they say 26,000. So I'm not sure how much this is.
No, so the real one there, if you hit, would be 2,600. But you're going to go now and say 26,000.
Oh, so it's 10, 10, 10.
Yeah.
Ben 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, for example,
maybe
like
just
660 would
but
have been...
maybe just for Instagram I do something
No,
like this.
hold on, sorry, I'm losing my head yet. That would have been 260, because 60 would be 6,000.
Can I maybe do something like this for Instagram? Then I'm like, oh, Chad killed 1 to 450 RR.
Yeah.
Done for the year.
There
See
you
you
go,
guys
bro.
in Jan.
There we go.
But you can only say it in an old Caravelle.
Yeah, you'll Chetty, it would have been 260 pips, my brother. 6,000, for example, 60, so 6,000 points is 60 pips.
No. It's just points, boys. We don't have to do pips with indices. Keep it at points. 260 points. The guys must stop calculating pips and points here. Points on indices. How good did that feel? Kicks in and out.
Sure.
Bro, you done. Your risk is off. I'm still sweating, bro. Come on, US 30.
Sorry, man, you're correct. Nah, bro, no. I was even getting confused there for a second.
I just call it points, Chad. It's simple. It's easy. Ah, gold, you son of a gun. Keeks, but you don't really enjoy a quick trade like this. You would rather be in something like mine where it's you're sweating a little bit.
You want to sweat a little bit, bro.
You want to feel that emotion of like you see
this
the
was
P&L.
fine because I got my money back, so I'm break even.
Yeah.
But now when I want to trade again, I want to earn that trade, bro. I want to be like, yeah, I sweated to just make some guy's yearly salary.
Bro, you know what the cuck thing is? I'm gonna hit this trade TP. Then I made 0 rands for the day.
After all of that.
After all of this. And it's like, wow, liefie, hoe was je dag? Yes, my skat, het was fantastisch. Ons was vir 7 ure op die charts. En ja, ek het niks geld gemaakt vandag.
I didn't lose anything, but
I didn't lose anything, but I didn't make anything. So technically, anybody that made more than 100 rand or even 50 rand
made more than me.
Made more than me, and I toiled the entire day. So that is
Chris's
trading.
kid going to be the last one at aftercare. Sorry, boys, Papa always be as a pips to
Okay,
find.
wait, I need to leave in 3 because I need to pick up me and Arnold.
We're done, bro. So when you're ready, we call it.
I'm gonna quickly go pee, Keegs,
Just finish it off.
and then hopefully, just.
I call it XP. Join my course today.
I got on gold for you, Chris, holding it till new. Hey, man. Bro, you know what the sad thing is? Then my kid is going to be the last to leave. And I did all of that to be break even on that.
We just love what we do, bro.
Bro, this is scam stuff. This is an absolute scam. Huh?
Hashtag P for TP. See if he gets it over the line there, Chad. Gold, it's you and me later. 2 hours time. It's you and me again. We're gonna sit fast here. I'm gonna be positive. We're gonna go get some sushi, chill, and then me, big man Powell, and Gold are gonna have a sit down. Let's see TP lower keys. Oh, yeah, boy, yes. Yeah. Where's TP? Guys, we're going through this again, yeah. I didn't see Powell saying anything positive for the dollar. Going to be very interesting. I'll talk to you a little bit about my thoughts with the Project G guys. But yeah, Keeks changed his buy retracement to a sell retracement, having people. Keeks, you're going to stream it on your own. No, I'm not, my brother. I said I'll do a little breakdown for them. But yeah.
It was like low kernel.
I think Chris had that raw fish already today. Hey.
Okay, Kigo, let me see what's happening here. Let's go, boys. Okay, I'm a bad person. I'm borderline a bad person. Did you just get ready so long?
Keep share with us. We will join the surge. Hey, now I'll let all the guys know in Project what I'm looking for.
Okay. Okay, Chad, I really need to leave. I do apologize. I almost forgot. I have to pick up the kids from school. Yeah, as mentioned, expecting a little bit of a bullish push here. TP, let's see if it hits. Send those TPs once it hits on IG Gold. Beautiful Kigo, Brian, everyone else, beautiful stuff. German 30, unfortunately, no trade set up there for me. As mentioned, looking for the opposite of the open. So as soon as we opened up, you can see that we traded lower first. So looking for a buy opportunity, but we got it on US 30 and on NAS. So no harm, no foul done. But I would have loved to be in those longs, but I didn't. So Kigo, sorry man, I'm gonna have to run.
Good.
You want to close it off here?
Chad, very good day today. We're going to see you guys tomorrow, same place, same time as always, Chad. Before you guys go, make sure just to subscribe, hit that like button if you haven't yet. We really appreciate it. And Chad, we'll see you tomorrow. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Peace.